Hello, and thank you for your interest in Muse furnishing packages. Muse is an incredible development that we've been very excited to be a part of. We want to take some time to run through who we are, what we do, and the options that Muse buyers have available for their investments. We wanted to introduce ourselves to you. I'm Emily Smith, the owner and lead designer for ES Design Group, and I have with me Christopher Brewer, an associate designer with our firm. We work completely in the commercial design sector, almost exclusively in multifamily and hospitality arena. Multifamily simply means that it's constructed for occupancy of more than one resident, and this would include apartments, condos, studios, and Airbnb units. Hospitality design focuses more on environments that entertain or host the public. The next few slides showcase a few of our completed projects to give you a sense of our aesthetic and work.
Now we'll dive into the unit furnishings themselves and a little background on the what, when, why, and how.
Looks matter. An interior designed Airbnb listing will do better with higher occupancy and higher rates 100% of the time than a non-interior design listing, given all else is equal. This is a quote given from optimizemyairbnb.com, which is also a great resource for Airbnb owners. One of the questions you may have is why choose us? ES Design Group leads the design for the Muse Nashville project. We've designed all of the spaces there, working with the entire Muse team to bring this gem to Nashville, and we're pretty excited about it. We've created and curated unit designs that carry out the design elements we used with the common areas of Muse into your unit with ease and budget consideration. There are many factors involved as to why you'd want to choose us. The first would be an increase in occupancy. As we just discussed, the designed units are going to lease faster and for more money than non-designed units. That's an easy one. You're going to save time. If we take care of all the details for you, you don't have to. We've negotiated pricing saves for all of the materials that we're offering. The way that we're doing this is by offering some of our bulk pricing in the fact that we're ordering it as one project rather than multiple, and that we have bulk pricing ourselves because of our firm and what we do. You will not get retail rates that touch our rates because we are using commercial grade materials. You will increase your profit. The higher rental rates are where you'll get your money, and the higher occupancy rates as well. When you stay occupied and you stay booked and you're getting higher rates than your competitors, that's more money in your pocket. And stand out. We want for your listings to look different, better than your competitors, and that is where we help you bridge that gap with our designs that we're offering.
You might be wondering why you need us. Well, we're industry experts. Design is what we do. Better design is directly proportional to more bookings at higher booking rates, and that is a fact. And we've got you covered. We specialize in creating amazing spaces using commercial grade furnishings at below retail pricing. Let our specialized team of designers, buyers, receivers, and installers handle this business so that you can get back to yours.
We use only commercially rated furniture in our designs. We love a bargain just as much as you, but don't skimp on quality in a rental unit. Furniture used in rental condos and hotels must be able to tolerate a lot of wear and tear. It's not enough to find affordable furnishing that looks good. That's pretty easy to do. It must be durable enough to withstand high traffic that is rougher than usual. It provides the safest option for both the renters and investors. People of all weights and sizes can comfortably and safely use furniture without drastic signs of wear and tear. Built to resist scratches, stains, bangs, and more, commercial grade furniture gains its title once it is successfully passed tests for durability, stability, and weight-bearing qualities. We are offering our packages below retail pricing. Our well-established relationships with commercial vendors allows us to obtain bulk pricing and quick delivery. These pre-negotiated savings are passed along to you, allowing you to furnish your unit in commercial-grade fashion at a fraction of the cost. We also offer quick turnover. We'll be waiting in the wings. In most situations, we're able to have your unit ready to roll within 7 days of closing, provided we've taken care of all the nitty-gritty beforehand. That means virtually no downtime and the ability for you to start collecting on your investment quickly, almost immediately after closing.
We've created beautiful pre-specified design packages by unit type and investment level. Throughout the process, you will know exactly what you're getting with no surprises.
In the next few slides, we're going to run through package options available to you. These will include standard furnishings, impact furnishings, which are going to be just a notch or two above standard furnishings, houseware packages, bunk packages, laundry packages, and all the extras. These are basically being provided on an a la carte type fashion, so you can pick and choose what's going to work best for you, your investment, and your renters. Each of the packages being offered is a hand-selected set of furnishings curated by our team of designers to fit the overall aesthetic and design of Muse itself. There will be variations offered in wall colors, upholsteries, accessories, artwork, rugs, etc., with pre-selected paint colors and fabrics for you to choose from to set your unit apart from other buyers. We do want your listing to be unique from everybody else in Nashville and everybody else in Muse, and so we will actually work on the accessory packages to make sure that your unit is unique to all of the other buyers.
On top of our furnishing packages, we also provide add-on packages, like this one, our housewares package. We will provide everything for you so that you don't have to. Everything you need to be move-in ready, really. From baking sheets to blenders, placemats, plates, we've got you covered.
A few of the other extra add-on that we have available for the Muse furnishings packages are the bunk packages and the laundry packages. The bunk package includes a set of twin over twin bunk beds. Extra beds equal extra income. The more people that you can house in your unit, the more money that you can ask for in your rent. And so this is a great option. Laundry package is another. For the units at Muse, you would have to select between one of the two. The space being used for the laundry facilities would be the place that the bunk packages were being placed in that unit itself. The Muse development itself will have a laundry room available to all of the occupants there. So it is not necessary to have one inside the unit. That's a choice that you have as the owner as to which you would prefer. But if you prefer to have the laundry facilities inside the unit, that would be the 5 package, your laundry package. And if you prefer to have an opportunity for extra income and more beds, you would definitely want to go with the bunk package. We found we've specified bunk beds that fit very, very, very beautifully in that space and almost seem like a custom build going into your unit.
Like we've mentioned before, our goal is to allow your unit to stand out amongst not only the units within Muse, but in the Nashville Airbnb market. So we are offering killer add-ons that will land you street cred as a renter and market domination from day one. Some of those extras include an iPad console on lockdown with curated playlists and lighting controls. We can offer Sonos speaker systems throughout your unit, a Romatech commercial air freshener unit, which is used in casinos in Vegas to cover up those not so pleasing smells, Xbox and all the games, Party Squasher, which if you're not aware of that, it is a very cool device that can inform you of how many users are connected to your Wi-Fi without breaking privacy laws, thus informing you the large gatherings that your tenants might be having. Noise Aware, which measures the decibels in your unit in a similar manner, it can also inform you of large gatherings that your tenants could be having. We offer Golden Tee Arcade Game, which is a golfing system, a Pac-Man arcade game, pinball machine, foosball table, or an air hockey table.
And on the next few slides, we know you've been waiting for the pricing. It will outline and go over some of the general pricing for our packages. This will all be obviously dependent on the actual unit you select. The pricing starts out at the standard studio unit and goes all the way to the largest unit itself. The next few slides will give you insight into the renderings provided for both the Luxe and the transitional units. I'm sure that you know that you'll be purchasing one or the other based on the color schemes and the actual finishes themselves. And we've selected furnishings that best match the profile of the unit type and also the complex itself. So our furnishing packages will provide a similar aesthetic to both the Luxe and transitional packages. Each of our packages has a series of hand-selected furnishings curated by our team of designers to fit the overall design of Muse. For every type of furnishing, whether it be a sofa, a bed, a side table, a coffee table, you will be provided with options dependent on whether or not you went with standard furnishings or impact furnishings. And so for each one, you'll actually get to choose the profile, and some of them do allow for colorways as well, as you can see on here. So this is an example of what you might see as an option for your sofas. You'd get to choose the profile itself and then the color itself. And there would be different offerings for impact versus standard.
Each package has a hand-selected set of furnishings by our team of designers to fit the overall design of Muse. There will be variations in wall colors and upholstery, with pre-selected paint colors and fabrics for you to choose from to set your unit apart from other buyers. Our vision is not to deviate from the aesthetic selected to create a cohesive atmosphere within Muse. However, we also want to ensure that each unit is unique, so we will work with you to select your color palette, which we will extend to accessories being artwork, pillows, rugs, you name it. We really want each unit within Muse to be its own star.
We'd love to work with you on your unit and your investment to maintain the best quality of design. For shipping, ordering of all of our furniture in bulk and having each piece shipped directly to our office and receivers in Chattanooga, we can ensure that the quality of each item is in tip-top shape and nothing arrives damaged. And by only having a single receiving location for your furniture, we're able to limit the shipping costs to you and extend bulk shipping rates as well. We can then move all of your furniture directly to your Muse unit within 7 days of close, where we'll install and place each piece, guaranteed that each unit is perfect. By not outsourcing movers to relocate your furniture and installers to install, we're able to maintain a fixed reduced rate for our buyers. We hope that this little presentation has shed a bit of light on our packages and our process. We'd be more than happy to answer any individual questions that you might have as needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We can't wait to work with you on this, on your investment. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to us today.